Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt here in my next painting video, and today I'll be painting my very first Tasmanian acrylic painting series video. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so today I'll be painting my very first Tasmanian picture in my brand new Tasmanian acrylic painting series, and today I'll be painting a picture of the countryside near Devonport. And as you can see, I've done a light sketch already. And for the sky, I'll be using some primary blue in its original form, as well as for the distant mountains. For the middle ground, I'll be using some tones of green, and for the foreground, I'll be using some light green for the grass, also some light browns, as well as some greyish browns for the trunk of the tree, and some different tones of greens for the leaves. Let's get started. So the equipment which I'll be using today are an artist tripod easel, an art smock, a 50 by 70 centimeter studio canvas by Marty, a cotton duck, and my acrylic colors, of course, which are Parole Red, Yellow Mid and Primary Blue, loaded on my artist palette and mixed with some gloss medium by Chroma, and my acrylic impasto white by Global Colors. My brushes which I'll be using today, which are a filbert brush, a fan brush, a round hog bristle brush, a flat hog bristle brush, an angle shader brush, a rigger and a flat brush. And I'll also be using some paper towel to dry my brushes on, and a water container with water to clean my brushes with. Let's get started. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. The name of this painting is Summer in the Tasmanian Countryside. And as always, please take care to subscribe, like, comment, share and continue to watch my channel content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.